I just left Texas, and Biden came out against fracking. Well, that means Texas is going to be one of the most unemployed states in our country.
Are you going to launch an effort to try to delay the election?
The virus returns at a level like they haven't even seen. We've been giving praise to certain countries, and the virus has now come to them like the first time.
Are you going to launch an effort to try to delay the election?
You know, we talk about Russia for 2.5 years, and then they found nothing, and there was nothing. But they talk Russia. They talk China. They talk all of these countries.
Are you going to launch an effort to try to delay the election?